back to my YouTube channel. It's my cousin's Carly's birthday. You see her everywhere. On my auntie, on my Carly said, can you say happy birthday in the comments? Can you say happy birthday in the comments for them? Happy birthday, Connie. Happy birthday, Sean Snow. Happy birthday, Sean Snow. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Let's go my cousin. Bye. Bye.